Dealing with a narcissistic boss can be one of the most challenging workplace experiences. A narcissistic leader exhibits excessive self-importance, lack of empathy, and a constant need for admiration. If you're struggling with this situation, you're not alone. Let's explore the key characteristics and practical strategies to protect your mental health and career. Recognizing narcissistic traits. A narcissistic boss typically displays several red flags. First, they have an inflated sense of self-importance and constantly seek validation and praise. Second, they lack genuine empathy for their employees' concerns and well-being. Third, they take credit for others' work while deflecting blame onto their team members. Fourth, they're hypersensitive to criticism and respond with anger or retaliation. Fifth, they use manipulation and gaslighting to maintain control, making employees question their own reality. Finally, they create a toxic workplace culture based on fear rather than collaboration. The impact on you. Working under a narcissistic boss can take a significant toll on your mental and physical health. Employees often experience increased stress, anxiety, and depression. You might feel constantly undervalued, walking on eggshells to avoid triggering their anger. This environment erodes your confidence and self-esteem over time. Many people develop symptoms of burnout, including exhaustion, cynicism, and reduced productivity. The toxic atmosphere can also damage your relationships outside work as you carry stress home with you. Survival strategies. If you're working for a narcissistic boss, here are practical strategies to protect yourself. Strategy 1. Set firm boundaries. Limit personal conversations and keep interactions professional. Don't share vulnerabilities or personal information that could be used against you. Establish clear work hours and resist the urge to respond to messages after hours. Strategy 2. Document everything. Keep detailed records of your accomplishments, emails, and conversations. This protects you if they try to take credit for your work or make false accusations. Documentation is your evidence. Strategy 3. Don't seek their approval. Narcissists thrive on having power over your emotions. Stop trying to gain their validation or approval. Instead, focus on doing quality work and seeking recognition from colleagues and other mentors. Strategy 4. Build your support network. Connect with trusted colleagues, friends, and mentors who can provide perspective and emotional support. Consider speaking with a therapist who specializes in workplace stress. Strategy 5. Manage your reactions. Stay calm and professional even when provoked. Narcissists feed on emotional reactions. A composed response denies them the attention they crave. Strategy 6. Know when to exit. Sometimes the healthiest choice is to leave. If the situation is severely impacting your mental health and there's no hope of improvement, start exploring other job opportunities. When to seek help. If you're experiencing severe anxiety, depression, or signs of burnout, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. Additionally, if you witness illegal behavior or serious misconduct, consider reporting it to HR or appropriate authorities. You have resources available to you. Remember, a narcissistic boss's behavior is about their insecurity, not your worth. Protect your mental health, maintain perspective, and know that you deserve a respectful workplace. Taking action, whether that's setting boundaries, seeking support, or finding a new job, is an act of self-care and strength.